We're making this video today to showcase a common impact zone that apparently occurs on the underbody of the 987. We will show a hole that can happen on the underbody panel, what issues that causes, a point of rust on the floor pan, and how to address it in a jiffy. Rocks and other road debris knocked out a big chunk of my underbody panel. This exposes this large flat spot here, which is worse than a flat Jeep windshield battling the elements, facing oncoming debris as a 90-degree plane now. These two spots get exposed to rocks and projectiles. If you don't fix the spots and don't replace the underbody panel, your floor pan will eventually rust a hole through itself. Sand the rusted spots down. You don't need to be able to eat off of them, but the rust should be mostly, if not all, gone. Prime the affected areas with a metal primer. It's okay to go a bit larger than the affected area. Once the primer has dried, paint over the affected area. There are better coatings you can use for the automotive undersides, which also match the color better, and I just used black paint in a jiffy. If you know of better coatings for the 987, please share them in the comments below. Find the underbody panel online and replace it. See my guide on underbody panels for instructions on how to replace them. The results aren't the prettiest, but they get the job done. Priming and painting minimize the chances of fine water particles getting under the paint. Thanks for tuning in to this quick video.